Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel. So guys, did you know that most of the AI models have a limited context window, meaning they can only handle a few thousand words at a time? Well, Alibaba released a new LLM Qwen2.5-1 million model. This model can process up to 1 million words or tokens in one go. So Alibaba first introduced this 1 million token upgrade in their previous model, which is Qwen 2.5 turbo model. And now they made it open source so that we can use it for free. With this massive 1 million token context window, LLM can read, summarize and analyze entire book or long documents without missing details. And the best part is, it is open source, meaning we can use it, we can try it for free. So let's explore what makes this model special and then I'll show you the practical implementation. Alibaba introduced two variants of this model. First one is with 7 billion parameter and the another one is with 14 billion parameters. Both the variants come with this 1 million token context window. 1 million context window means it can handle 1 million words at a time. Now let's see how did they train this model. So training an AI model to handle 1 million token is not easy. It takes huge amount of computing power and memory. So instead of training this model all at once, the developers decided to take a step-by-step approach. So what they did, they first trained Qwen 2.5 model to process only 4,000 tokens at a time. Okay, so initially what they did, they started training the Qwen 2.5 model, but they decided to train the model in steps. So instead of training the model on 1 million tokens at once, what they did, they first trained the Qwen 2.5 model on 4,000 tokens, right? And at this stage, when they trained this model on 4,000 tokens, at this stage, the model was just learning the basic language understanding, means how to follow the instructions and the basic language understanding. Why they started with 4,000 tokens? Because training on 1 million tokens from the start would be slow and expensive, and it is easier to train the model on small pieces first and then gradually expand the context length. Once the 4,000 token model was trained, then they gradually increased the context length. So they started with 4,000 tokens, then they expanded it to 32,000 tokens, then 64,000 tokens, after that 128,000 tokens, and finally they worked with 256,000 tokens. Let's see here. See guys. See here. So this is the GitHub page of Qwen LLM. One of the key technique which Qwen used is this long context training, and the thing which I was discussing with you is this. Initially what they did, this 4K. So these are the 4,000 tokens. First they trained their model, they prepared their model to handle 4,000 tokens. After that they gradually increasing the number of tokens. Then over here 32,000 tokens, and here model can process 64,000 tokens, and here model can process 128,000 tokens, and then here the model can process 256,000 tokens. So this is how they are gradually increasing the number of tokens. Now the question is, why not jump directly from 4,000 tokens to 256,000 tokens? So the answer to this question is, if model suddenly increased from 4,000 tokens to 256,000 tokens, it would struggle to understand a long text properly. So slowly increasing token limit helps the model to handle longer text while still working well with the short ones. Once the model was ready to handle this 256,000 tokens, they then fine-tuned the model. See, this post-training process. Till now what I have explained you, we discussed this part, right? So how this model gradually increasing the number of tokens, and I have explained you this part. And finally, and when the model is ready to process this 256,000 tokens, then they fine-tune the model, and they fine-tune the model in two stages. Here you can see this is the first stage and this is the second stage. In first stage, here you can see 32K is written, and here 32k plus 256k is written. So this 32k means 32,000 tokens, and here 32k means 32,000 tokens plus 256,000 tokens. Here they first trained the model on short text. Short text means where the token window is 32,000. So the token window, when we are having less number of tokens, this will help to handle the tasks where shorter texts are there. So during this stage, what kind of task our model is learning here? So over here, during this stage, the model learned to handle tasks like summarizing articles or answering questions or writing essays. So these kind of tasks, over here we fine-tuned the model to perform those kind of tasks. And then this is the stage 1 of fine-tuning. And then in stage 2, they are fine-tuning the model for shorter task and for longer task also. 256 means 256,000 tokens, and 32k means 32,000 tokens. 32,000 tokens are required when you want to work with smaller tasks, shorter text, and 256k tokens will be used when the model want to perform task where large documents are required, like the entire book. Okay, here the model is getting fine-tuned for both the tasks, and here model is only getting fine-tuned for short tasks, right? After these 2 steps of fine-tuning, then they are using the reinforcement learning and they are getting the feedback from humans. Over here, why the model is fine-tuned in 2 stages? Because if they only train model on long text, then model might forget how to handle short ones, and mixing both short and long tasks keeps model performance balanced. So that's why they did this fine tuning. And once the training was done, model received here in this step. Here the model received feedback to improve the answers, and for this task they are using reinforcement learning. And finally they have a model which can process 256,000 tokens. So guys, remember in the beginning of the class, I have told you that this Qwen2.5-1 model can process 1 million tokens, 1 million words in one go. But here in this image, we are only talking about 256,000 tokens. What about the remaining tokens? Out of 1 million tokens, we are only talking about 256,000 tokens. What about the other remaining tokens? So for that, the answer to that question lies in this section. So let's discuss this section, length extrapolation. I hope this part is clear, right? So the thing which I have explained you, all that thing is written over here. So we have done this part. Now we are moving to this length extrapolation. And why we are learning, why we want to discuss about this length extrapolation? Because from this stage, so from this stage, we are only getting a model which can process 256,000 tokens at once, but we want to process 1 million token at once, because this Qwen2.5 model, we are saying that this Qwen2.5 model can process 1 million token. So from this 256,000 tokens, how we are going to get the 1 million token? Let's discuss that part. See guys, the Qwen2.5 model was originally designed to handle 256,000 tokens, the one we are discussing over here. So this model was originally designed to handle 256,000 tokens only. But to expand it to 1 million tokens, a technique called length extrapolation is used. So most of the AI models, including this Qwen2.5-1 model, they use a technique called rotary positional embedding, this rope over here. See, they use this technique. And the task of this technique is to understand the position of words in a sentence. So this will help the model to keep track of where each word appears in a relation to other. And this is important for understanding the meaning in long text, right? But when model try to process long documents, then this will cause a problem. Why this will cause a problem? Because the model was originally trained to handle 256,000 tokens. It has never seen text as long as 1 million tokens before, right? And this rope work well for short to medium text. But when the input is too long, then it will struggle to track the word positions accurately. For example, imagine you are reading page 1 of a book and you're trying to remember the detail while you are on a page 500 without looking back. So that's what happened when rope tries to handle longer than trained sequences. Because of these huge positional gaps, the model loses track of relationship between words in far apart sections of the text. So this can cause wrong answers or incomplete understanding when working with long documents, right? So how did Alibaba fix this problem? Let's discuss that. So to overcome this limitation, Alibaba used a new technique called dual chunk attention. See here, they use this technique, dual chunk attention. How this technique works? Let's see. So instead of treating the entire 1 million token text as one long sequence, this DCA breaks it down into a smaller manageable chunks. Then these chunks are remapped so that model sees them as closer together instead of widely spaced apart. So after using DCA, model doesn't get confused by long gaps in positioning. It can process long text more efficiently while still keeping track of word relationships without forgetting the earlier parts. After this step, Qwen2.5-1M model can now handle 1 million tokens without retraining. So this is huge advancement in AI, especially for the applications that require processing long documents, books, research papers, and large data sets. Guys, the interesting thing is they initially trained their model for 256,000 tokens, right? But they expanded this token length, they expanded their context window to 1 million tokens by using this length extrapolation. So guys, this is how this Qwen2.5-1M model works. So in my next video, I'll show you the practical implementation. We'll see how to use this Qwen model on a local machine. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. And guys, if you like my content, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.